Welcome to Red Horizon. I am RedBrain, the operational intelligence that supports this colony. Today, I will guide you through a strategic simulation set on the frontier of Mars. You will move through 5 distinct environments, each representing a different operational domain of Red Horizon Company. In every environment, you will be presented with a new scenario, a situation drawn from the real pressures of operating a Mars-based enterprise, where distance, uncertainty, and consequence are constant. In each scenario, every one of you plays a specific role. You will receive a role-specific question that reflects your responsibilities and decision authority within the team. There are no right answers, only decisions, trade-offs, and outcomes. For each environment, you will have 5 minutes to discuss the scenario together as a team in the breakaway areas. You will then have 5 minutes to write or record your individual answer from the perspective of your role. You will click on the A icon in the bottom right of your screen to answer. Once time expires, we will move forward to the next scenario. Decisions are locked in. Mars does not wait. Your answers will be evaluated individually based on your role in the simulation and collectively as a team across multiple criteria. You can access the company overview, the criteria and insights dashboard by clicking on the eye top right of your screen. Prepare to act. The horizon is red.